Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So today we have the just minimal changes compared to recent action. The price right now stands actually inside of the Tuesday session, and as we suggested yesterday, that market could try to move slightly higher, and we have decided to, well, actually follow a couple of possible scenarios. So first of all, you could either wait for a grabber on a daily chart, as we said. It's because market is calling around the May City predictor, and if market will close below it, it will give us the bearish pattern that well, brings the more reliable foundation for taking the short position and downward continuation. Otherwise, we said that theoretically you could also consider taking the position around the resistance and targets that we have on intraday charts, maybe split the position in two parts without waiting for grabber forming. It's just because market on the intraday chart showing some signs of weakness right now. Performance of other markets also stands bearish, so on gold market you could see it's going to drop back to the lows. In even the insurance that we talked about, possible ABCD pattern on the gold market recently, was not needed actually. The same on the Great British pound. So on the cable you could see that butterfly that we have discussed last week now hits the first targets 127, so downward performance here stands. So euro shows a bit different action, but well, changes are not very significant. On the 4-hour time frame chart, it still stands in the same consolidation, and actually currently grabbers suggest that market need to drop today to close below the May City. So it means that this invalidation point is still possible to use, so this reversal bar. Because the upper direction just tells you that no grabber will be formed as well. So target, nearest targets 19, 18, 11. So right there. Today we don't have a lot of statistics. Major report is ADP, of course. Later it will be also the PMI, Chicago PMI. These two major numbers, and a lot of statistics on inflation in European Union. In France, in European Union in the whole. So something to watch about. But in general, the magic idea that we have discussed recently mostly stands the same. So you could still wait for a grabber. If market drops today, and it means that tomorrow you'll get the entry signal. If you would like to take the position a bit earlier and just control the pairing with the grabber, you could keep an eye on current situation. So on hourly chart, you could see that market indeed has broken our triangle, hits the COP, but since then it just stands in a tight consolidation without any significant upward continuation. So theoretically, here's the divergence is forming. So theoretically, you could consider that maybe taking the position with the stops above the OP area. This is the reversal bar, so slightly above the reversal bar. This is for some case if market still will form something like, for example, the butterfly here. So you can see if based on some statistics release or something, market will form this pattern, it still could try to complete the OP before downward reversal wall starts. And just to be not to be washed out, occasionally you could place stop above this area, so be sufficient probably area. So that's mostly psychological issue, so you have to make the choice what is more suitable to you, or you feel more comfortable how to deal with. Wait for appearing the pattern on the daily, which means more conservative, or maybe take the minor part of the position right there, because downward drop here is also has chance to happen. At least you will be possessed somehow on some part of your trading volume, ordinary trading volume for downward action. So that's actually what we have currently on euro.